Good day, traders. How are you today? I hope all is going fine. And how has the holiday been? The Muslim holidays. I want to discuss with you today how I use my trading system, how I design my trading system to pass any challenge account anywhere in the world. That's just the main focus of today's video, so that you can learn from it and see how you can also design your own trading system to suit the risk parameters of the proprietary firm, so that if uh, you have the plan to join them in future, you can be well prepared now. And if you don't have the intention to join them in future, you can use the same techniques, the same system, or design your own system to suit, to be used for your trading account right now. Okay, on the 27th of June, I bought this 50K, challenge account from FTMO. You can see starting date, start date is 27 June 2022. And I started this when I started, Wave Traders Signal channel, and I made up my mind that I'm going to use only my system for the Signal channel, and I'm going to use every trade that I give in the Signal channel, to trade this challenge account. That will help me to evaluate, the effectiveness of the signal that I send out to the public, all right, and the effectiveness of my trading system vis-a-vis the effectiveness of my risk management system. Okay, of course, every trading systems, okay, every trading system will have uh 3 or 4 elements. Okay, the first element is risk management system. Okay, your trading system must have risk management techniques that you are using. It um, must have the entry strategy that you use. It must have the exit strategy as part of it. Okay, the risk management, the entry strategy, the exit strategy, the trade management strategy. At what point do you break even? Okay, and then the third and the final element of a trading system is that it must tell you, okay, at so market condition, how do you tone down your risk, or how do you increase your risk? Okay, I don't use the same risk parameter in all trading conditions, as I will show you in this video. There are conditions of the market that I will see that my risk is going to go lower. I'm going to maintain half of my risk, okay, in any trade setup, because I know the condition of the market does not permit, my normal risk. And then when the condition of the market is great, I also up my risk and, come up to the normal and acceptable risk as defined in the trading system. So you can see, I told one of my mentee that it takes me average of 8 to 10 trading days to pass any challenge, whether FTMO, whether Myforexfund, whatever. It takes me average of 8 to 10 days. And I told him before I bought this 50K challenge account on the 27th June. And you can see that on this area where you see the chart, this chart was going down, coming up, going down, coming up, going down, coming up, going down, coming up. The condition of the market was not good. All this area, you have NFP week, you have end of the month, end of the quarter, a lot of things were happening. And then what I decided to do was, okay, no problem. I'm going to lower my risk. You can see sometimes there will be profit. You see the chart will be up. Sometimes there will be loss. It will come down. Sometimes there will be profit. It will go down. There will be loss. It will come down. There will be profit. You can see the chart was playing. But there was never a time that I had a scandalous loss that took off, my account. No, there was never a time. Do you understand? So you can see that in a minimum of 10 trading days, in fact, it was done in 8 days. I was just playing in the remaining 2 days just to, fulfill the minimum day require being 10 days, you see, pass. Maximum daily loss supposed to be 2005. That was a day, I think, no, to overall 2000 pass. Maximum loss 5,000, and then my maximum loss was 2,797 pass. Profit target 5,000, which was hit. And then you have this. All right, currently trading objectives are completed. Congratulations. We'll verify your account and we'll contact you as soon as possible. Currently, I'm working on the second stage of the evaluation, for me to get that account just for the purpose of trading off the signal I put out in my signal channel. All right, you can see the 10 days. You can see the 10 days. You can see I started from June 30, June 30 June. Okay, that was when I started, 30th of June, and okay, that was when no, sorry, 27th of June. You can see it. You can see the loss. The first day, 409. You can see on the second day, profit 335. The third day, loss 910. The fourth day, profit 292. You can see that was why this chart was going up, down, up, down, up, down. 1st of July, 1,574 big loss. 4th of July, mostly these were break-even trades. Okay, but what I want to explain to you, what I want you to understand is that you can see all this period, I was having small gain, small loss, small gain, small loss, small gain, small loss. That is how I design my trading system. I don't want any scandalous loss, okay, but I can have a big win. All right. So when I was having all this from 27th June to 1st of July, I was having small gain, small loss, small gain, small loss. That was when this chart was going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The condition of the market did not permit big win. And I accepted in good faith. And in as much as, my account is not down uh, uh, in a big way, I was comfortable. But on the 5th of July, can you see? Market gave opportunity for big win. And can you see? We went into it. And what did we see here? We saw the move in DXY. And we knew that all other setup were going to make a big move. Because of course, DXY movement in the market will create a lot of liquidity that makes even all currency pairs that are not related to DXY to also move. You can see the big win, 3,594. On the 6th of July, you can see 8 lot. You can see 3,607. Can you see? Simple. And with these 8 days, I made a 10%, profit on the account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just 8 days. And then I was just playing on the 9 days or trading Bitcoin 0.02, then 0.01 just to trade 10 days in the account. Can you see? So if you look at these statistics, you see the average profit was 169 and my average loss was 98. This is fantastic. Average risk to reward 1.72, which I'm going to improve on. All right. Expectancy 29. This one is not important to me. Then profit factor, it must be positive. It's positive. And you see my win rate. My win rate is just 47.88%. I've tried my best to make sure that my win rate is just 50 and above. So you should emphasize less on win rate, but you should emphasize more on risk to reward. What is important is what? Risk to reward. I don't care if I lose 5 trade in a row. That is what most people don't understand. If I lose 5 trade in a row, I don't care. If I'm losing 1% of my account, okay, losing 5 trades in a row means that you have lost just 5% of your account. But I will care much if I don't have 1:5, you know, risk to reward in my win. What I mean by 1:5 is that I want to have a situation like this 3,594, 3,600. These were trade of 1:8 risk to reward. This was 1:10. This was 1:10 or thereabout. I was risking 350 or so per trade on this account. And look at it. I was winning 3,000 something. That is 1:10 risk to reward. This one 1:10 risk to reward. Do you understand? This look at this. Look at this. I traded 9 lots here on 29th of June and I lost 910. That's to tell you that each trade I was I was each on the average each trade was 300 US dollar, you know, as my risk. Do you understand? So it's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. You see the win. You see the loss. See, the loss will not be much. And if it happens, then make sure you make it very small. All right. Make sure you make it very small. That is why I usually have a problem when I started a Signal channel. Because to me as a person, if I have a losing trade, I don't care because I have maintained a well-suited risk management system that makes me not to care much about whether I lose. But one thing that you must bear in mind is that you must continuously execute your trading system the way you have defined it. Just don't delay, don't deviate from it. Continuously be consistent in the execution and management of your trading system. You must be consistent with it. You don't have to say because you implemented a trading system yesterday and you failed and the setup failed. Therefore, the trading system is condemnable. No, it is good. If you fail yesterday, you fail today, you fail tomorrow, it's still good. I still rely on it. But when it will be okay, all right, when market condition will be great for your system, you're going to win consistently. You're going to win your trade consistently. So that time, you now say your trading system is super. So when it was not delivering the profit to you, you say it's not great. That is the essence of maintaining a good risk management culture. Maintain a good risk management strategy so that when your trading system is not delivering the results to you, your account is not bastardized. Your account does not go down anyhow. All right? You still have something left to trade when the market condition will suit your trading system. Do you understand now, guys? So this is how I do it. I'm using my trade signal channel to trade challenge account, and right now I'm on evaluation. And I'll also show you in a video like this how I also do the evaluation stage and how I also use the signal channel to trade it. So right now, there's nothing going on as far as I'm concerned in the market. And I'm not going to stress myself to want to trade by all means. No, there's no need to want to trade by all means because we've got what we look at before we go into the chart. If you look at DXY right now, it's still bullish. And then we're expecting it to at least come down for a correction. Here, we needed a bigger correction. It did not give us. Okay, it did not give us. It kept going on the upside. But can you blame it? No. You look at weekly, it's bullish. You look at monthly, it's bullish. Look at them. Weekly, monthly. Can you see? I've showed you this corrective structure sometimes ago and said this one will go probably to break this top. Okay? It will go to break this top on a monthly time frame. Weekly, it's still going. Even though we had expected some corrections, did not give us. Okay, from 101 here, 102 here, it was just going to the upside, meaning that all majors will keep going down. But the question here is that DXY is not going to announce to you when it's going to make the correction. Okay, it's not going to announce to you. All at a sudden, you can just see something will happen and DXY will continue to come down, making a bigger correction before it resumes the upside. That is when the major will also make a pullback to the upside. Do you get now? That's why you go to euro dollar right now. It's bearish. Euro dollar continue to be bearish. Okay, but is it right to sell at this level, this daily chart? Is it right to sell at this level? No. If you did not join at this level, of course, we took a trade at this level, but we closed. All right, we close on time. If you did not join this market at this level, you have no reason to join at this level because at any moment from here, it's going to give a corrective structure. Okay, you also see pound dollar. All of them will continue to make a move, to the downside as long as DXY still remain bullish. All this one will still be bearish. Okay, they will still be bearish. Can you see? Even USD JPY is finding it difficult right now. Yes, USD JPY is actually due for a bigger correction than this. This was a correction, but it was not big enough. It's due for bigger correction. But it cannot do that correction because DXY is bullish. And then at this level right now, we cannot buy and we cannot sell. Can you see? You cannot buy and you cannot sell. So these are a situation, or this is a situation that will warrant you, to scale down your trading. You don't want to trade heavy. When USD JPY was here, okay, this is a correction, we have to move up. We were trading heavy. Okay, what I mean we're trading heavy is that we're having bigger lots where control risk on the account and we're moving up. But right now, can we do that? No. So if you cannot do that, be patient. Be patient. You see, USD card, can you see, is due for correction because we have analyzed this pair and we have said if this is for this, all right, this is for no, you have 1, 2, 3 here. You have wave up, you have wave up, you have wave down. Simple. Let me do it again for somebody to understand. This push up, we are saying if that push up is this push up, okay, then this push down, if it's for this push down, then you have 3 wave structure in the middle, okay, and then we have A, B, and C. This was the analysis that we did on higher time frame on USD card. So if that is the case, we're expecting a corrective structure here to make a move to the upside. For this corrective structure to even happen, it's a problem. Why? DXY is bullish. Dollar is very strong. So to pull back, it's actually very hard right now. But we look forward to see it happen. Okay. So when you are trading, this is how you control your risk. Now, the next phase of this content is to describe to you how, I trade off the 50K FTMO account and to ensure that my risk is kept so low that it's very difficult, actually very difficult for me to fail any challenge. Very, very difficult. Because this 50K account, they have, made it clear that the highest they will permit me to lose there is 5K. So if they have said the highest that I can lose is 10%, but they require me to make 5K, which is 10%, I say, okay. It then mean that if you are saying the highest you can permit me to lose is 5K, it means that you are not giving me 50K account. You are giving me only 5K account. That's how I see it. You are giving me only 5K account. So you are giving me 5K account to make 5K. You want me to make 100% of my account, not really 10%. That's what it means. So what I do is that I look at it, my trading system, the way I structure it, in every 10 trades that I take, there is no way that I will not win 5. No way. Okay. And if I win 5, this 5 I win, 1 or 2 of it will be a big win, like one, maybe ratio 6. And then the remaining 5 losses, if possible, if they are up to that, at times 1 or 2, but let me just say 5 losses. Okay, these 5 losses, um, I make sure that the losses are kept at 300 to 500, not more than 500. Okay, so even if I lose 3 trades or 5 trades, I'll be like 900 to 1,500 loss from 5K. But if I have a big win like 1:6, that is, I'm risking 300 to 500. Let's say I'm risking 500, I'm getting six reward, risking 500. So I'm getting 500 times 6. Can you see? 3,000. This is how I do it. 3,000. So the whole loss is 1,005, and the win only one. I'm getting 3,000. If I just get this win like this twice out of these 10 trades, I've hit 10% of my account. I've passed. That is why I keep saying it takes average of 10 trading days. 10 trading days to pass any challenge at all. Evaluation, challenge, everything, average of 10 trading days with my system and with my risk management strategy. Do you understand now? So you can apply this same system to your trading account. Let's say you have a $500 account. $500 account. In any trade at all, never lose more than $20. Okay? So that even if you lose $20 in 5 places, you have lost $100 out of what? Out of $500, which will not kill you. All right. But if you have a win of 1:5, guys, it means that you are risking $20 and you are getting 20 times 5, you are getting $100. Can you see? Just in one win, you have recovered 5 losses. Okay? In one win you have made here, 1:5, you have done what? You have recovered 5 losses. Remember, $20 in 5 losses is just $100. And in your win of 1:5, you have made $100. You have just recovered it. So, and you can see that at the end of the day, your win rate is going to be like maybe 20, 30% or 40%. But you have made a tremendous progress. You have made much profit. Why? Because your risk to reward is very nice. When you are losing small. Okay? When you are gaining big. Can you see? You are winning, you are losing small. When you are losing, you are winning big. That is the logic, guys. That is the fundamental element of risk management strategy that puts you on top of the game. If you don't have this system in place, guys, that keeps you, with a small loss when you lose and that make you a big gain when you win, if you don't have that in place, it's going to be hard to make it in this business. That is why I'm emphasizing on it. In couples of days to come, you'll be seeing a lot of content from me that discuss risk management strategy, at least the type that I use that have been working for me. That's the one I'm going to teach you. Others may have their own risk management strategy. But since you have decided to follow me, since you have decided to follow my channel, I'm going to teach you the one that I have used over time. It's been working for me, and for the past 2 to 3 years. I've been consistent with this trading system. But of course, many of you will know it when when I created a YouTube channel, to put out my content to the world. Let them see, what I've got to teach. All right, what I understand about this business and how I do it, how I approach it. It was not more than 3 months ago that I put up this new channel, just to show you what I believe in and what I don't believe in. Do you understand? So as far as risk management system is concerned, this is my belief about it. This is my belief about it, and this is how I do it that is working for me. And you can see it from FTMO, from the FTMO challenge account here. You can see it. It's very clear, guys. It's very clear. Can you see? Win loss, win loss. You can see this is consolidation. In every consolidation, this is just like Asian range, guys. Then London, reaction at London, and then boom, New York. You see, problem, reaction, solution. So when you see your equity curve is depicting, the natural nature of formation of, events, you know that yourself, you are becoming natural. Somebody does not understand me. If you go to, chart, if you go to your forex chart, you discover that when you have an Asian range, after the Asian range, you are going to have a reaction like this at London session. If this pair is to move to the upside, you have the Asian range, you have the reaction at London, and then you have a move to the upside. Do you understand? This is New York. You have a move to the upside. This, if my chart here, if my chart here is also depicting this nature of the market, it means that myself, I'm becoming natural. Do you understand? I'm becoming natural. So that is how it is. That's how it is, guys. So let's go to the other side and conclude. Let's conclude with this thought. Let me clear all drawing. Okay. Let's conclude with this thought. Don't need FTMO again. Let's go to our chart. Okay, clear all drawing. Okay. So guys, let's go to AUD NZD. Okay. AUD NZD. The move is going right. No, we had expected this market to pull up. The structure wanted to pull up. Just take note, guys. If AUDNZD can pull up to this level, look for your sell opportunity to the downside. Don't forget this. If it's going from here, it's no longer your trade. Forget about it. But if you pull up to this level, take a sell to the downside. All right. So I will see you next time, guys. Try to make your comment known in the comment section. Whatever you feel about these short videos, let me know it from the comment section. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please just subscribe to our channel and make sure you smash notification bell so that you can you can be the first to receive notification from me of any content I put out on YouTube. All right. Also share, like. That like is very important to me because the more you like, the more YouTube will share this video to other people that need it. All right, see you next time, guys. Peace.